Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathumtimandi umabuya ubambolonye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Efos Loras Bafethu and we are looking for lovers, abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings ufuna ukwenza show uthela itswayi phakathi. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a biblical king mntanami. As you all know, guys, I'm always protected with my two bodies. They make sure that intwana yase Kings bafethu yonke into ihamba grand. And I also want to say thank you to all the countries in Asia for listening to me when I say zoom, zoom, zoom. So now the Chinese in Asia, they already have done zoom, zoom, zoom in Chinese language. But jumba 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 jumba. Jum 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 juba jumba jumba juba jumba jumba. Exe, uhlekani? Asambeni. China, thank you. Yo, bafethu. Ayizakhala namhlanje. Asibaheni bafethu. Zakhala bafethu, as you all know, CMTV, Niyathembana na couple switching phones, King Ginger Cream de la Cream, bayachola la. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathumtimandi umabuya ubambolonye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi. Sure, my brother. Sanibona? Sure, mfethu. Cha. Angile futhi ngihamba nabangani bami lana mfethu.
See we walking.
Yeah, mfethu akunankinga mfethu ngicela ukuthi ngiyichaze. Okay, mina mfethu ngochanger mfethu yabo. So into engiyenza mfethu ngenze show lana for ilokhuzana mfethu YouTube ne TikTok yabona la amanye ama social media yabo. So ngambe ngibuza mfethu abantu ukuthi baya date. No, you guys dating?
Yeah, we're dating, bro.
Okay, so on this show, that's what we do. We're trying to show everyone if you want to jump into a relationship, imaphi questions that you need to ask. You understand?
Hey, bro.
Angithi ngiyasho ukuthi ngenza ishow seswama ngithi ishow le it's called Lovers. It's whereby ama lovers ngiwabuza ama questions. So ngicela unibuza nje two questions so that abantu abajolayo mfethu bezoba ne-understanding ukuthi if you date someone iziphi izinto ekumele zibe right yabo. Sure, ngicela sime la ngoba ilanga la yekasi liyashisa bafethu. Emakazana King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Sure. So ubani igama lakho na awuthami?
Ngikabela awuthami.
Ngikabela.
Yeah.
Danki to Kabza bafethu. Kabza mawungablowmi la ikasi kuphi ekhaya?
Straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Oh, stress zakho lezi.
Yeah.
Hello mommy. It's a biblical king as you all know bafethu. Hayi sonta naye. A revival.
I feel if you say
Sure. Wena sisoma ubani igama lakho?
Lisedi.
Lisedi.
Yeah.
Lisedi. Yeah. So Lisedi, what do you like to do in your spare time zakho?
I like reading.
You like reading. Hello mommy. It's a biblical king. Oh, you like reading?
Yeah.
Yeah, no man, it's a song a revival.
Oh, okay.
Assemblies of God. Yeah, so omamba sesontweni lami.
Yeah.
In church. That's why belokhu bengibingelela. Yeah, sure.
Manje amakamera angaka?
Angithi ngenza ishow kodwa awubafika kanti ishow yenziwa ngani? Mfethu wena wrong njalo. So uthanda ukufunda ngespare time sakho?
Yeah.
Yini oyithandayo nge-out yakho?
Uyangihlekisa.
So he's those funny guys. No, that's sweet. So you love abantu abakwazi ukuthi on your spare time ukwazi ukuhleka and then you relax nabo.
Yeah.
Uyamncanywa mara?
Sometimes. Ngiyadlala yanyamthanda.
Oh, Jayami. You sometimes. Lalela baba wami. Ngithi mina wena mfethu uyamthanda umuntu wakho?
Yeah, too much.
Yini mfethu uyithanda ngayo?
My intelligence yakhe mfethu ngithola like she's brilliant dog. Out of this world.
Out of this world.
Out of this world.
Bafanas. Bhala nama notes. If you want a real girlfriend, get the one that is out of this world. It's Bibli King. Mfethu, mfethu, I'm happy for you, mfethu, yabo. Ngiyakujabulela kakhulu bhuti wami and angifuni nje ukuba jealous mfethu abantu abathandanayo kumele babonisane uthando. Ngicela uphe umuntu wakhe ihagi mfethu. You will never know. Maybe it's the last hug. Ja, awunja yami uyakhe spiti kanje.
Ginger.
Injoba mfethu. Cause
Hayi mana amakhamera wakho asifakela amehlo yazi.
You can see. You can
hayi
see.
wena yabona ke abantu abashayi kuthiwa yibona abakwazi ukwenza uthando. Can I ask you this question? Ngiyazi ukuthi nina mhlawumbe nishayi ukhuluma ngezinto but siswami I want to know from you uyakusatisfy kodwa ubabazi.
Ni religious, so no, never.
Well,
Ivatsheni
yeah.
awukakashayi
Me, dog. I've fucked a couple of times, dog. Many times.
kodwa
Just
yena
continue.
awukamshayi.
Since I've had her, young tall, I'm walking on a journey, on a different experience. I've also like I wanted to try something I've never tried before. Like
Nenzani nitryani? Manje
Obviously.
ngatry sex.
Igama laka Jesu.
you said, Sontana Bobo Mom.
Uyamthanda kodwa?
Too much, dog.
Manje nenzani?
Obviously.
Sipractice igama laka Jesu. Mangithi I like reading. Ngikhulumela neBhayibheli.
Siswami lalela ngikutshele ngegama lika Jesu. uJesu wathi asande. Lala nani? Nandi. Nandi isizwe sami. Manje uzomncisha kuze kube yini uzomnika nini ikhekhe?
Mangina 24,
Unengaki manje?
ngina 19.
Uyahlanya. U5 years.
Nah,
Uzolin
dog, but you can't
uzolin.
say my mate is crazy.
Oh, no, not in a bad way, not in a bad way. In a good way, the craziness, not the crazy. Leyo yokuhlala enhlanyeni lapha na kwi-facility la. No, not that one. Get to the craziness. Wala kushisilang. Manje ususondeza kuba 4 ngoba sesikhuluma nge-craziness. Uyambona usesondela ngobu-fightness.
Nah,
Njayami,
dog.
ngifuna ukwazi from you mfethu.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukwazi from you. Are you willing ukuthi ulinde lo 5 years?
If it says so, yeah, I can. If it's meant to be, dog, you know,
So na awuthama yikho enye intombazana ojola nayo kuphela.
she's the one, dog.
Wena sisoma akekho umuntu odate nayo ukuqabuzayo ngaphandle kwakho because iyona nto vele oyenza uma udate nomuntu le.
Cha.
You just kiss. Yeah.
Uh,
But it's true. It is true, guys. And Elana, mina, I'm a straight talker. We need to be honest with each other. Ayikhale mayikhale. Siswami uyena kuphela ngithi. So in a scale of 100 umthemba kangakanani?
100.
In a scale of 100 awuthemba umthemba kangakanani?
110, dog.
110. It's about that time. Couple switching phones. My name is King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. My brother, on this show, sinale ndethiwa i-loyalty test. I-loyalty test ithwebha with switching phones for 60 seconds. Wena unike ipartner yakho ifone yakho ngo-60 seconds. Sibone ukuthi wena njengoba nje uthi uyisaint Brian awukaze ni mhlawumbe ulicoshe ikhekhe eceleni, you understand, and you are being honest to this beautiful lady. Same applies to you siswami njengoba nawe usabamba ikhekhe ungathola ukuthi lelo khekhe seligotshoziwe yayibona lonto lo. So we want to know from that because the phone will reveal all the conversations ukuthi wena obani labo fletha nabo yayibona lonto lo. Angithi wena ujolina umuntu mamazi
Yebo.
uthandana naye kuphela
Yebo.
uyena ocabuza la lips kuphela.
Yebo.
Ngithanda ngicela ukuthi ngiyacela nje ukuthi forever yena
Forever yena.
he will answer my questions.
He will answer my questions.
Awuthi uye yedwa mfethu
Yeah, the dog.
akekho omunye.
Yeah, good dog.
As we are about to go forever yena
Forever her, dog.
nja yami she will answer my questions.
She will, dog. She will answer my questions, dog.
Power to that, my brother. So senze couple switching phones nja yami izinja egoli mfethu akekho umuntu engimthemba njengawe because I feel like uzoprovela the whole South Africans ukuthi wena you are the good guy and you are the straight guy. Thana nomuntu oyedwa qha phela lapho mfethu masiqeda futhi kanjalo siyodla mfethu ama ribs espare uyangithola mfethu cause thina siyithothina Spurs yayibona leyo nto leyo and we are chilling nja yami
City always.
In-
City way, dog.
in
Manchester City, dog. You gotta stick to the city.
amabhadi
Stick to the city,
amabhadi
dog.
the darkness azokuvelela
City, dog.
Manchester City yani yini yona leyo hawu ngesodlala abafana hey bo nje Tottenham baba kodwa uthi ngikuyeke ngebhola ngikufaka othandweni so bafethu ngizocela ungena lapha nendawo and then sishintshana ngamafoni ngithi uyavuma brother uyavuma mamazi uyiphethe ifoni yakho ngibole ifoni letha sorry letha nje mindaba fethu wathi uyahlina nje mase kumele ulethe ifoni Vusi wahlina nje fethu ubelo wahlina nje fethu Okay-ke bafethu le senze kanje. So njengamanje njengoba silana sizokwenza i-couple switching phones yabo le nto le. And then sizoshintshana ngamafoni nesiswama ngithi. Angithi wena unankinga?
Anginayo. Cha anginankinga.
Awuthami nawe unankinga?
I got no problem.
No problem. Okay, bese some ladies first yabo. Ngabe siyayenza bafethu izum but because of time and angifuni ukuthi ngiperforme kakhulu bafethu sizovela sithi jump into it's about that time couple switching phones mntanami it's going crazy it's going bananas it's a baby looking mntanami I love it ngicela uthi it's a baby looking
Angikuzwanga yazi.
washa izinto zatshintsha iphone yakho lana iyo le cela uyibambeke le Vusi oh ivule ulivulela hey alright ngicela ngibambela nje yami alright imake now WhatsApp ngicela ume lapha alright guys we are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to tap that Chanders please tap for me I love you khona sobona ke uthi wena sister bakushayela yini abafana
Angishela.
wenza njani mabakushayela
Ngiyahala.
njalo uma uyibona kuvela igama lakho phezulu ungitshele singalokho siwaste isikhathi siqhubekele phezulu uwe lo my brother ngithi uyamthanda lo muntu ngibona laqinisa lo lithanda bekezelile ngicela udelete lapho mfethu ungithaphele lapho uthi kumina I miss you ufake ne heart awusasmile bakushela
Mara ngiyahala ngiyafana ngiyahala.
wena why unqaba nekheke
Hey.
Jesus first
Eh.
Awunjaya musemathandweni cela udelete la ideng kusavela yena ulova and zonke izinto ziproper and I'm happy for my brother mamas ngicela ungithaphela lapho mfethu uthi sex ukayicela isex kodwa kwena
Cha.
kodwa nakho nje nake nakhuluma ukuthi wena we gonna have sex
Yes, dog. I have to ask that question once, so you know why.
hey nawe 5 years okay all right guys kunjalo nje ku clean ku honorable ngicela uthi come outside mhlambe khona nje ubhongoza ona kumbi ngicela ubhale nje lapho come outside mhlambe khona boy ona kumbibiza okay mfethu phuma la na Facebook angithi singene ku Instagram but nansi singene la kuma DMs type bhuti uthi I love you might no results udelete ungithaphele uthi I miss no results true uthi I miss you
No results.
well uthi sex in the city
Dog.
yes le cocktail ekuthiwa sex in the city
Yazi.
yeah ne blow job
Ngiyazi.
oh we aniyazi ke leyo cocktail siswam how do you feel ukuthi mfethu uthanda wena and uthanda wena wedwa
Dog, I'm like, yo, bro, I'm so overwhelmed.
kodwa vele mfethu angabe uyathanda abantu abangaki
Ngiyamthanda.
ngoba vele akalikhiphi nekheke
Yabo.
yeah so nje
Ngathi iyahlupha nje le
no
ndaba yazi.
that's important phela mfethu kuma relationships if ungalidedeli ikheke ivirus ekhulume siswami itshitshi nje sisebenze ngalo yeah hayi iqiniso hayi ivari hayi no singalokho nje sigoqana mhlawumbe senza ngathi anikho estyleni you are not relevant I'm sorry I'm not ukuthi hayi ukuthi ngiphusha ukuthi abantu bangabi ama virgin but anikho nje relevant kuma relationships yeah ni relevant kulama relationships enathule nje ayidumbu kanje cela ungiboleke iphone mfethu hayi cha isidumbu le sorry angazi ngenza njani ngiyadidizela ngizwa ngathi ngiyabamba ngiyayeka ivule yabo ukrena ngenza uthami
Nando Tom.
mfethu ngicela ukutshela iqiniso
Come on.
yeah can I be honest with you
Be honest.
angithembi mina uthami angithembi mina
Dog.
awubuke wena njenge-out engalithanda ikheke
Dog.
I don't
I tried, dog.
swilayilayi
I tried to hold myself.
yima seswami ngizokutshela iMadagascar
Obvious, the hand is the way. Yabo.
true itrip nje wena uyazi nje iye Cape Town
Dog. It's tough.
navigate uyongena eRobben Island bulisa utata
Dog, I feel like you're going too much into detail now. Relax.
sex awuyazi nje wena uthami
Continue, dog.
hayi
Okay. WhatsApp.
We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to start the genders. Please tell for me I love you. Abakusheli nje awekho amantombazana ayinterest ngicela ngimela ngalaba mfethu lo mjito ngibuka kabuhlungu. Yabo. Awuthami abakusheli nje.
Nah.
Okay. Hayi sisifundele phela mabona igama lakhe ngiyakubona ngithi uwelwana. Semuhle.
Yebo.
Nice. I like the fact ukuthi wena nayo uthakho you to talk yabo because nakuye kuvele kanje na. Kwenza njani sis? Okay. Oh.
Sisi.
Okay, ngicela ungidelethele. Ngicela ungithayiphela uthi I miss you so much. Ufaka nyangathi. Ufake no much. Ukrenja.
Angimnandi.
Now my emojis like.
Mando.
Amen. Fundele igama. Fundike yima.
Ubani ukarabo?
Yeah.
Karabo.
Sure. Yazi
Relax. Why am I saying?
I miss you so much lo wakhe. Ungene la kumita. Sicela ungena kumita sibone ukuthi wena nokarabo.
Manje ngifuna ngi-explain. Relax. Why am I ngathi nishama pericate manje?
Ukhuluma nale ntombazana?
Nikhulumani?
We talk, Musa baby.
Ngicela uscroll phezulu kule conversation khona sizobona ukuthi labantu abalalani. Yeah, delete lapho uthi sex. Bona ukuthi akaveli nokarabo because mhlawumbe uyayicela sex sometimes. Uyambona uyayinida. Awuthami explain mfethu ukuthi ubani ukarabo and uye yedwa siyabona abekho baningi.
Abekho abanye khona ukarabo kuphela.
Nah, dog. My Karabo is like my sister's friend, dog. In total.
So when you fucking
Ufuna namanamba kamngani kasisi wakho?
Nah, like the only time I had her numbers was like she was asking me questions about my sisters and told me stuff like that if she needed to get to my sister.
So wena ukhuluma sex nabantwana bakini mangani babantwana bakini.
Post, dog. Like she like posted something about.
But I can read. There's nothing about a post here. There's nothing about a post.
Nah,
There's
isn't
no
it-
post written here.
Dog, there's that.
And
what
these
you call
conversations
it?
don't make sense. These
Yeah.
conversations don't make sense. You can clearly see that these were deleted. Hi, fine.
Yeah.
This doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Nah, bro. Like,
And you
serious.
said you miss her so much. Yabona mina into engicasula bhuti wami ukuthi uqamba manga. And when awuthami wena mfethu ufebe lo buyabonakala kuyavela lana mfethu ukuthi wena uyamjolela umama. Bengisho kodwa mfethu ngeke uhlala isikhathi esingaka mfethu ungashayi mfethu. Ngeke. Ungambambi. Hayi bengisho ngeke uhlale kodwa isikhathi esingaka awuthami ungaphabazi. Ungaphabazi.
Cameras, you acting.
Cha.
Tell her.
No.
Oh, you act time.
Oh, say act.
Dog, like, relax,
You
dog.
act time.
Babe, I'm telling you.
Oh,
seriously,
you
like-
act time.
No, you're not. You're not.
Bambi phone yakho. Awuthami mfethu mina nguwena ngabe ngiyaxolisa kuyimamazi ngilitshele mfethu ukuthi it was a mistake now uyalamba phela njenge out
Dog,
mfethu.
there was no mistake. Dog, we never fucked. Dog, it was only conversations.
But you
dog.
see
What conversations? Those conversations
About
don't
sex.
make sense. How does it move from high to fine to sex? How does
you skip all the way. I miss you so
But
much.
there's no way that says we meet there, dog.
how does a conversation escalate so quickly? Hi, fine, and then you're talking about sexual activities. Clearly there was a conversation or something happened there.
Yini inkinga yakho mfethu?
Dog, I got no problem, dog. Like,
You got no
niggas
problem. What do you mean you
vibe,
got no
dog.
problem? Benvaya kanjani?
Niggas
You-
vibe.
My brother, wait mfethu. Do love
See, now
her.
you
Do
bring
love her.
problems. Don't nyamthanda, dog.
Manje
Like,
indaba
what do you
mfethu
mean?
ungaxolisi ngale mistake oyichunayo because uyayichuna. Or yini awuthami ufuna isithembu ufuna
Sithembu sana.
angazi phela uthanda abantu abaningi wena manje.
You fucking up things, man.
Me. Why do you put me on your things, bra? Ungifakelani endabeni zakho?
Mina mangikubuza if you're comfortable nge-religion yami, ubowuthi right. So bongicambela ma, you were basically making me the idiot. I
Wena
was the
udlala ngalo
fool.
mntana and lo mntana ube honest kuwena from the get go ukuthi awuthami ngeke ungibhabaze for 7 years.
My guy, I'm a guy, dog. I'm
I
a
know you are
dog.
but why bungamtsheli lokho uthi wena uthe wena uzobekezela.
you're a guy.
I don't need to
Oh
tell you.
yes,
You're a
yes,
guy.
he's a guy
Oh,
now.
you're a guy.
Now you're a guy
Oh,
now.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp, guy, ne?
Yeah.
You're better off single.
Was
You're better
Better
off
off
single.
single with
Oh,
what?
you're better off single. Are you sure when you're a guy?
No.
Are you sure when you're a guy? I don't fucking touch me. Are you sure when you're a guy?
was
Are you sure when you're a guy?
awuthami xolisa.
Yeah, dog, what am I supposed to apologize for?
Xolisa mfethu.
Dog.
For
Let me
ukuthi
talk to my
uthole-
lady. Let me tell her what happened.
Hey,
dog.
but you
There's
broke
no your Medi. There's no your Medi.
but you broke
Your
the
Medi is on
but
your
you
phone.
broke the code
Your
awuthami
Medi
ngokuthi
is
wena.
on your phone.
Yes.
Ne, mina, I am
I'm
not your
sorry,
Medi.
dog. I'm
Sorry,
sorry, baby.
sorry.
I'm
Hey,
sorry.
hey.
Yeah, mfethu akuthintwa wena musukulwa. Bawuthula abantu bazokupitchiza. Bawuthula. Hayi mina ngili awuthami mina
You're
ngili.
Medi. You're Medi. Don't play
Don't
with
do
me.
me like that,
Don't play with me.
Don't do me like
Karamo is
that.
your Medi. Angisho.
Karao's not my maid, dog. I told you she's my sister's
Awuthami
friend.
awuthami
Fine, go date your sister's friend.
Yeah,
Go date
go.
your sister's friend. I'm done with you. I was honest with you, Kabelo. You tell me my religion doesn't permit me to have any sexual intercourse.
7 years wawuvuma. Angithi you said that.
If Botea, kubungitshelile ngaphuma kuwe because we asked Guti I was going to go and find someone else that was going to admit. Botea yes. No, you said yes. You said yes.
Uzohlala wena awuthami wena wawuvuma 7 years ekutshela endlebeni ukuthi uzolinda 7 years. Wathi wena yes angithi.
Dog, but everything was going smooth till you came up, dog.
Cha, wena ungifakela.
Oh, manje you blame yena.
No, I'm not blaming
Oh,
him.
you're blaming him because you can't be loyal. You can't be loyal. You're blaming him.
Yeah.
I'm grateful for him.
Yes.
Because if it went for
doesn't
him,
mean I'm not loyal.
Your dirty secrets would have still been in the closet.
Vele. Yeah. Siswami ayikabele mfethu wena ujwayela kabi mamazi wena. Siswami. Okay, can I ask you a question? Imakabelo first. Can I ask you a question? Awuyibambe. Wakabelo. So wena siswami usazoqhubeka ujwele naye njengoba umbona lo ukuthi
Cha.
So usazohamba naye noma sikuphelezele.
No.
Siyakuphelezela ke sambi.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Wena isale wedwa.
Some requestela awuthi some requestela.
Walk.
It's fine.
Walk.
You were walking, Vele. You were walking. You were walking. You don't have a car. You don't have a car. You were walking. So why are you saying she must walk?
Isn't it we came by boat, dog? I requested, dog.
Okay, that's some Paulta. When I tell you you 7 years, why bungabekezeli for
Walking.
Johnny Walker? Walk. When? Walk. Siswami. Manje njengoba ubona ukuthi njengoba nje kwenza kanjena lona njengoba umbona ukuthi uyibolele nje wakhe it's about that time couple switching phones mntanami it's going crazy it's going bananas we're in the streets of Efosleras Bafetse and we are looking for lovers but you saw ukuthi idrama yenzani mntanami siyamrequestela nangumntwana uyakhala manje awuthi yakhe naye lapha mfethu is tatsazeling is qaqazeling and is saying we must walk. King Change the cream de la cream. It's going crazy. It's going. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.